It's your overexcited, funny, happy, goofy, little ace skate here. Sorry, not little, I'm quite big in real life. What's up? No, I suck at keyword. I'm trying to become a famous YouTuber, man. Apparently I'm sucking so far. Alright. Now this is what I call the lobby. Where you go up behind people and you dance. Oh, you did not just do that. Take that back. Take that back. Okay. You got, I was gonna say, you got the death sentence and all that, but you know what? Too white. Just playing. Carlos, where are we gonna land, man? Where are we gonna land? Where are we gonna land? Oh. Guys, I don't know if y'all can hear my mic or not, but hey, I don't care. Yeah, I can't hear you through the headphones either. That's why I'm doing this. No! I landed way too low. It's all good though, because there's a shotgun and a AR right here, so I'm all good. I'll drive to you. I love this thing. You're gonna have the No, they're not. Not for long. Do you know who I am? I don't think they know who I am. No, they don't know who I am. Dude, I had him so low. Dude, I'm actually kind of aggravated. I had him so low. Land somewhere no one lands. Sorry. That's obviously got to be tilted. Just playing. I'm not that stupid. Everybody's stupid in their own ways, but I'm not that stupid. We can demolish this next duel, trust me. Okay, I can't shake my desk much because things just fell. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Fortnite screwing up again, like it always does. I know, with all their freaking screw ups. But hey, I can't complain. It's addictive right now. I mean, I wouldn't be hitting all these shots if you weren't still staying still, you know what I mean? Scratch that. I can hit all my shots even when he's not standing still. Nuh-uh. You think you're running away from me, boy? Nope. Boy, if you don't. Alright, we should land low hang. No, we won't. But hey, we'll try. Fake default. It's like eating cloak. Yeet. I'll be able to make it. I'll make it. Carlos, will you make it? No, will you make it? I know I will make it. I'm good at the quick maths. Sometimes. And then sometimes I'm totally wrong. I'm good though. Let's land this red house right here. They'll for sure give us one chest and a weapon inside, so. I think there might be another chest inside. Hey, do you want a grenade launcher? Well, I for surely got a shotgun, so I guess we will kill people. Let's take the zip line down. Crap, we're gonna be so far. Actually, we could take a plane back, so. Trust me, I'm gonna need that. Bandages. Whoa! Was that you, Carlos? What blue thing? There was? Like, how far was it? Because I only saw it when I bounced or hit something. Okay. Whatever that's supposed to be. Oh, bro, you need to go pee-pee. Nah, we can finish this match. Guys, after this match, we're gonna end the video. Oh, I thought that was a deagle. I got excited. Crap, I think we should start heading towards the middle. Actually, I'll give you the mushrooms. Get the mushrooms. Do you have a shotgun? Alright, I think. Do you have a submachine gun? Not a submachine gun, but a assault rifle. We're gonna win this game.
I have a green pump and a common.
We're gonna accidentally win this game, guys. Alright, Carlos, let's go ahead and take the zip line back up.
If I like get shot from like my right side, I'm not gonna be able to hear it because I have my phone, and the cushioning is holding the phone like I'm not gonna hear it on my
Alright. So you ready to take the line?
I'm just trying to look for a better air though.
I like how you can control the zip line now. Yeah.
Or do you have a medkit?
No, no. Do you have bandages?
You find out. I have a medkit. Do you want to run to the circle?
I thought we could take zip lines to the circle.
But if you zip line instead, you're gonna waste materials.
Well, you're wasting materials trying to get up to a zip line.
But it's smaller than really all the way up there.
But is it though?
Hurry up, the storm's like right behind you.
Oh crap, it is. Get in the plane. I'll jump in. Go, I'll take another plane. Intense moment. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh. What? Yeah. I'll land here. Whoa. Where are those guys at that try to shoot you? Those guys are trying to shoot you. I don't know. It was from this side. No, you can't harm my stuff, so I blew it up. Alright, let's go get these noobs. Whoa. There they are. Watch out, one's like right here inside the build. Oh, think about that. Yeah, he's running.
I'll drive and you shoot. He's zip lining away.
We can't accept that. Don't drive us next to the zip line. He's gonna die from the... storm, I think. Yeah, that's right. Oh crap, there's one right there to the left. Carlos, we need to get out of the circle, not in it. Oh no. Carlos, go to the circle. Next time, let me.
I have 900 wood. Oh, the circle's really small. I'm gonna stay back.
Yeah, let's stay back and be friends. Just in case anybody decides to rush us. Carlos, look. Just in case anybody decides to rush us.
You're gonna get sniped. I'm right behind this tree. Nobody would ever notice.
Carlos, I dropped you a mini.
Where you at?
Cornbread and chicken. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna get in the quad crasher and get ready to go. Get in. Get in or else I'm gonna hit you.
I need to fix my telephone now. Oh, I can take this? Wait, no, let's not take this. This thing is really low.
Dude, how else are we supposed to get in the circle real quick?
We can run. We can literally just chill here for like a good 2 seconds and then it's insane.
I don't think I can outrun it, bro. Hey, don't expose me like that in the video. No, I got 217. Depends. You know who you're talking to? Don't be terrified. Be horrified. Hey, that's messed up. Oh, that's you, Bill. Oh! Carlos. Carlos. Your character is hot.
Take that back.
Ugly. Very ugly.
We went to the store. See you later. Oh, I did 0 damage.
Wait, dog takes all your damage out at once. Yeah.
Wait, let me see.
Open the door.
Open the door. Now I have 85.
That was so close to working. Carlos, let's stay like at the edge of the circle.
I know that's why I'm going this way, but I don't know where you're going.
I'm trying to get at the edge of the circle. I don't know where you're going. I don't want to get stuck with them. Oh, right here. Right here. Carlos! Carlos! Don't snipe me!
There's a base right on top of us.
We can take them.
Directly to floor. Get in here, crackhead.
Oh, okay. Oh! I'm sure they can see you. Dude, we're in the next circle. Dude. It's us two versus another two versus one dude. Now if we stay at the edge. Okay.
Oh my god, get right here. Come on, watch out, go here. They're gonna see. They're fighting over there. Oh, one got stuck in the storm. Oh, there's a guy right there. He's running. It's a solo guy. Hey, suppress him.
Where is he?
He's over there. Oh, never mind. Let him fight. Oh, it's a 2v2. We're 2v1.
Dude.
2v1. Oh, the guy's coming. Oh no, they're fighting it out. Oh no,
Should we rush him? And you're just gonna go for it.
break the tree.
Us two against him. Let's go. Let's go. We got it, bro. Finally. finally got it, bro. Take a picture of it. Carlos, are you gonna take a picture of it? And then send it to me. Bro, finally we freaking got a dual win. And then I'll take a picture. I think it's gonna make me hang up the call to take a picture. I think it's gonna make me hang up the call. No! Oh, it wouldn't let me. It was like, please hang up your phone call. Oh, bro. Bro, freaking GG, man. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll be right back, okay? We'll get this other one too.